show you how to drape for the leg. What we're going to do is we're going to uncover the foot, take a lot of this fabric and move it up, and then we're going to take the edge and we're going to tuck it underneath the leg. So when I tucked the fabric, I was going in a linear direction underneath the leg and it wasn't up. And so it's tucked and it's going to stay where you place it, and then I'm going to bring this up and tuck it around the hip. So you want to be able to see part of the hip, but you don't want the whole hip exposed. Makes your person uncomfortable. So we're just going to take it, tuck it, it's nice and tight, and then we can go in and start doing some work for the leg.